It's really sunny today. Ikamatasya. You know how to say cow.
Cow?
Yeah. Johnny Fireman. Oh, it's special from last night, isn't it? It's not, it's someone else.
What?
We just finished the first half of Temai Vanui. Bro. What?
It was hard.
Erica fell asleep, guys.
No, not that it was boring. It was just I'm very tired.
Yeah, she's very tired. She's not used to planning
beautiful.
two days in a row.
It's a beautiful
Hey, Baba?
Yeah.
What is that? What did he say?
Oh, no. No video. You can't take it. You can't record.
Oh, straight up. So you can't record in there, so there's no footage, like you can't get any footage of the Temai Vanui, but honestly, it was amazing. But yeah, so it's awesome. I wish I could like get some snippets of the performances because it's honestly so stunning.
How long's the break?
15. You don't have enough time to go home, love. But yeah, that was awesome.
You want to go find a toilet?
Good morning. All about for brekkie. So pretty. Here for brunch. Are you sure? Are you sure you want me to? Oh, that's stunning. This is the Islander Hotel. How stunning. This is so pretty, twin. Looks nice during the day. Yeah.
What time you guys open for dinner?
This is hula bar during the day. How cute. It's so beautiful today. Good morning. So nice. We always come here in the night time. Look at my sisters. Yeah, we always come here at the hula bar at night time, but it looks so nice. You look so pretty, sister. Very cutesy. And then you've always got that one sister that just always dresses casual. Like literally all the time. Rocking a jeans and a tee. It's my sister Emma. And you got the extra ones over here.
We're on holiday.
We are so extra. Casual.
Bang. I fit right in.
Yeah.
As a local.
I love it. Hula bar's stunning during the day. Look at that. We're good to go kayaking on, huh? Shit, it's really sunny today. I'm like already so tan.
I had a deep sleep. I didn't wake up last night.
I had a good sleep.
I always keep waking up. Like,
It was just my breathing.
yeah, I was worried about you.
Yeah, it was my breathing. Amen.
Wait for your food. Yeah.
Yeah, Emma. These guys got the ribeyes.
Are we ready for you?
Eat, yeah, eat. Oh no. What are we laughing at? Banana. Emma got a sashimi.
Sorry.
Linguine, Emma.
Crispy chicken wings?
Yeah.
And one ikan mata?
Ikan matas, yeah.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks good. Is it good, twin?
What's the yellow fish?
Yeah, that's tuna.
Yeah?
Tuna.
Cassava, manioca.
Potato.
Sorry, that's better. Rockfish.
Yum.
Yep.
Yum, 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 yum. I want a fork.
But you can tell, it's like thinner.
I'm so hungry. Eat them more, eat them more. Look at them more. Look at the chicken, bro. Oh, yeah. Yum. The aftermath. Erica's literally taking the last bite. Go on, sissy.
I was like, oh, oyster looks messy. The way you eat it is messy. No. I'm not used to these ones.
Yeah.
I'm used to the one I used to. You just and it falls out.
What was that? 36 oysters. Damn, guys.
It's like a cup holder, but like
It's like they're encouraging pane on, bro. What the hell? Panes on. Like, this is in the toilet. Erica came out of the toilet and gave me an Amazon. We don't need it, bro. What the Is it nice, sis? Yeah. Fresh? It is so nice. Soft. Look how cute! Oh, they are. Oh, they're so cute. They're loose.
oh, hello. Oh, you're beautiful. I didn't.
We had a cow on the road.
Video of the grass.
That was so cute. Did you even press record?
Of the grass.
Oh, that's so nice. Know how to say cow.
Cow.
Yeah.
They
Well, bro, that's Samoan. Isn't
Wait,
it the
how?
same? No.
What? Walk
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah. Erica got it. What was this? Sissy?
No, I'm not saying it again. It's like, it's only a fleek.
Yeah. What else? How about pawpaw? Nilita. Oh!
I'm winning.
This one 100%.
100%.
100%. Twin, give us some name, papa names we can try and say it.
Oh, no, we don't want to press Tanya.
No, give it to them, not me.
Tanya, keep going.
Mango.
B?
Yeah. Oh, girl, Emma is.
Wait, let me take a breath. No, I'm gonna
Let me take a break. I'm winning. Wow.
I want to quit now before my hands turn down.
How about passion fruit?
I've never heard of
I only know the Reo Maori one.
Wait.
That's it. Finish it.
Passion fruit.
Yeah.
No, I don't know that one. I've never heard of it.
What? Pigeon fruit. Yeah, Emma.
Wait, I want to go to
It's parapoiti.
Wait, what? That one's never gonna get that.
Parapoiti. Twin, if I'm wrong, just laugh, okay?
What is it?
Parapoiti.
Sounds like poison.
Yeah, passion fruit. Parapoiti. How about?
Told you that sun's not gonna last. Oh man, and it looks like it's gonna stop.
The big holy frick, the waves, twin. What the heck? Hold on, let me see, Bill. Dude, the waves are huge.
Current way too strong. I knew it was rough out there. I could see it.
Is this where
That's
they always
crazy.
bring, you know, the thing you guys want to go out?
Yeah.
The paddleboard?
Yeah, on the... Yeah,
No, the lagoon.
yeah they come... Oh, in front of we got a look at.
I will go have a look.
That's crazy.
It's like a pass.
Oh, that's scary. Oh, and that water comes all the way up.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
The waves are really big right now. I don't know if you could see earlier when I was showing, but we're just tripping out.
Oh, it's pretty. And look at the water there.
I'm just glad it's out there and not in here. Like,
You see when you go to water.
is it big as well?
Oh, really?
Massive, massive. This is small.
Tanya, have you been to toilet?
No, sis. Josh beat me.
We should go.
Josh and Nicole beat us to it.
The only thing
Josh.
My little Josh.
your Josh.
Yeah, Josh went.
even Corey.
I know. The side of the road.
But we're kind of loud because the lights out there.
Have a smell.
Oh, looks so nice. Like it.
That's the gardenia. See, it smells like a gardenia.
This is mom's favorite.
Yeah, cheddar mud.
Mom, I
And they
got
only
sour.
and they only have it in the islands.
Really?
Yeah.
They don't
Like only the gardenias in Australia, but cheddar mud is only in Tahiti, like all the little islands, the Pacific. It's normally out straight. Normally. Yeah, they're normally out straight, but pretty aces. Yeah. It's similar, the smell to gardenia. That's a fun. Hi, Auntie. No, no. I'm not live, don't panic. I'm just recording.
Hello.
Ito ko may kwe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like us. We just go here.
You go and pick up Tauto.
$20 supper. We're getting this for after. So cool here on the performance nights. I haven't even gone inside and showed you, but it's so cool here tonight. Yeah, all good. Erica found the dessert. I'm gonna get my mum's shirts
Yeah. Same.
because she's having a tangi. This is where we got it from. Hi, kia ora na. So nice. Oh, babe. Look at those fans, honey. They're cute.
I like those hits of the front.
Yeah. But this is different. Like, I love this. I love this so much. Those ones, I want it for myself. Yeah, they're nice. And then look at these ones. Oh my god, the boy. Oh my goodness.
That one.
400. Back to uncle. Go to uncle. Hi!
Oh, how was the last flight? Shit. Do you have her?
No troubles with flights? Where's Mita? Look at this one in Rarotonga. Money. Hi! Try it, because I got the same one. It's the best. Yeah. When are you going to Japan? Chris was saying. How fun. Tell at the family. Him and Maki. That's the one I got that. They're so different. Yeah. Everyone always gets the frills, you know, but I like that. I love it. Come, Oramita, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my life. Yeah.
Does it pay for your flight?
Oh, hard out.
Hello. $5.
Yeah.
Change. Any more?
No, go to the $5. Oh, you need change.
Yes.
Blame Missy for giving you 50s.
$10?
I owe you guys.
No, don't worry.
$10?
Adiós que acumulé. Ven la coño.
All my extra packets. We are in the footpath, guys, in the pathway. Let's move. Oh, Sissy, did you get that? That's so pretty.
I'm hungry, let's go.
We're gonna go have a look at the tattoo place. Bye, family. Love yous. Yeah, we were looking at those colors. Look, those hats so cute. Oh, Kai. No. We're gonna go look around. I love it. Oh, he's ready, Erica. I'm taking a video. These are so beautiful. Not a strong woman for me. Oh, do you work here too, darling? I just spat. Do you? Oh, I can talk to him. I thought you were busy. You can eat. It's all right. What's this supermarket? CITC supermarket. Come to get some essentials because a couple of us are sick, so we're gonna grab some lemons, some honey, milk, toilet paper, green tea. What else do we need to get? Ninita. Yeah. Yes.
That one or that one? Bring the 10. Do we have people's drinks on?
Yes.
Plenty of drinks. Plenty of drinks.
How much are the $3, $14? Let's go see how much their cokes are. $7.80, sis. Their 1.25s are still. Huh. $4.50. If you can see. Oh, their lollies are cheap.
Their hot cheese is cheap.
Yeah, $3.60. I want a minty lolly. Cough lolly. Oh, there's Golden Circle orange juice, $2.50. Orange juice is $2.50. Let's get some juice. We've got heaps of fizzies. I want some juice. Emma. Vicky. It's only $2.50. Yeah. Oh, this is the only one on special. That's why. Yeah, the rest are $5.
Who's them?
She went to go look for something. Hi, baby.
Is niet dat milk?
Allee. $80 for a 24 pack of Cokes. Weimar. Honey, green tea, lemon.
Green tea, lemon.
Yum. Hello. Atawai wala.
Is that a shirt?
Yeah.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, that's a video. Wow. Hi. Kay marorote girls. Yum. It's the homemade barbecue. Barbecue the girls. What time did you get home, Nami?
What time? 3 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
We went to the whole.
Yeah, we were there. We were there. I know. Yum. Mm-hmm. We out here. And then we go watch the Tema Vanui after. Everyone's gone to the golf. No one out there.
Yeah, they can go there. No, you and nothing.
Dinner at Auntie's house. Ah, bê, a mate gai, ui, te a kapau kai. Unreal. And these guys love. I want a taro. Dikitia, can you grab me the dark taro, please? That's okay. That's okay, sis. Mr. Yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Kakain malolo. Live, akit te kakain nga atwin. Quickly get a video in before we get told off. Oh, my dress. Son of a bitch. Wow, the key. That one's it, but the bigger one.